Now, repeat after me. Viper, viper, viper. Welcome to English Dictionary Infinity, where we help you perfect your pronunciation and expand your vocabulary, one word at a time. Meaning: a viper is a type of venomous snake known for its long hinged fangs that inject venom into its prey. Vipers are found in various parts of the world, and their bite can be dangerous to both animals and humans. The term viper can also be used figuratively to describe a person who is considered deceitful or treacherous, much like the snake. Think of it like this. A viper can be either a real snake with venomous fangs or a metaphor for someone with a poisonous personality. In a sentence, the hiker spotted a viper slithering through the tall grass and kept a safe distance. Here, viper refers to the actual venomous snake in the wild. Let's try another example. She felt betrayed by him and began to think of him as a viper in her life. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using viper. Synonyms. Some related terms for viper are serpent, another word for snake, often used in mythology and stories. Cobra, another type of venomous snake, although different from a viper. Antonyms. The opposite of viper would be non-venomous snake, a snake that doesn't produce venom like a garter snake. Ally, in a figurative sense, someone trustworthy rather than deceitful. Viper is a noun referring to both a type of venomous snake and, metaphorically, a treacherous person. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to keep building your vocabulary with us at English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.